Welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to ABOC credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The ABOC or Amalgamated Bank of Chicago lets you have an online account access for your credit card and manage your account anytime you want. In order to log into your credit card, you'll need to open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.aboc.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this official page. Click on the login button right under Bank Online on the right hand side and click on the credit card option. You'll be taken to this login area over here. You'll need to type in your username associated with your TCM bank account and then click the login button. Also, verify yourself by receiving a phone call or an SMS on your registered mobile number and click continue. Enter the one-time passcode and click continue in order to access your ABOC credit card account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.